Oh,
what?
What the fuck?
Oh, Nate, you're coming with us. All right.
Oh, hell yeah, I'm
Shut
fucking
the door
coming.
over
Oh, that's not. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, no, Nick. Take a picture over here. You can't even see the dorms.
Yeah, that was fucked. Well, I can't really see shit anyways.
Oh, I know. You can't see one or you can do it.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, that's Charles. Can't even fucking. Well, you can see him a little bit.
Fuck.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, there's no way I'm getting out of this.
Ah, dude.
Oh, we made it.
There we are. Look
Wow.
at that.
Fucking 4-wheel drive is amazing. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drive. Someone call his ass, get in the car.
Right there.
Oh.
Hey, Lib.
Where you been?
You hop on the awesome movie?
Where you been?
I
was getting my phone. Can't see it on my windshield, so I gotta wait a second here. Okay.
I just hated that it's only here. That's all. Maybe win, but that'll leave. I just hated it 3 against 1. There's no surprises. You know everything's happening.
Alright.
So you're saying
Fucking snow everywhere.
No, because I need to do those.
yeah, it's a great kid, though.
That's one of those things. She's like, I don't fucking know.
Yeah.
Get it, Keith. Get it. Get it.
Submarines can't attack land.
What? One of these days, I actually.
How's it look there, Nick?
Fucking ridiculous.
We got snow on you, man.
Fuck.
So launch it first strike and what the fuck is that?
He's like posing.
Posing for that shit?
Oh yeah. I'm using a fucking makeshift shovel.
That's
on
why
the edge of a
I
broom.
had to get the broom part of it.
I feel like we just clear out this right here.
Oh.
Never leave a man behind.
Oh, fuck.
How's your feet looking? It still hasn't even yet. It's still white. You guys say you got at least another 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's on thing.
Cold. Put it back on though. Where's my oh, John's wearing my gloves.
Yeah.
That's cool.
John?